Good morning everyone. In our last video of arithmetic progression, we have discussed about the meaning of the term sequence, meaning of arithmetic progression, and to identify the first term and common difference of an AP. Now today we are going to learn about how to find the general term of an AP. For this, let us consider one example first. Suppose we have a sequence given 4, 9, 14, 19 and dot dot dot. Now this sequence is an AP. How you will check it? You can find the difference between two terms. 9 minus 4, that is 5. 14 minus 9, that is also 5. 19 minus 14, again 5. Means this is an AP. So for this AP, what is our first term? That is 4. And what is the common difference? So D is 5. So whenever we have an AP given and we need to find the first term and the common difference, that we can do easily. Now let us reverse it. If first term is given and common difference is given, can we form the AP? Yes. First term is 4, so we will write 4. Difference is 5, means we need to add this 5 again and again to form the next term. If we add 5 to this 4, we can get the next term, that is 9. If we again add 5, 9 plus 5, the next term 14. 14 plus 5, the next term 19. So on, this AP can be formed. So based on this, let us understand how we can find the general term of an AP. Let the first term of an AP is A and its common difference is D. Now with the help of this first term and common difference D, what will be the AP? A. Now in this A, we need to add D again and again to get the next term, that is A plus D. If we will again add D to it, it will be A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. Now in this AP, the first term is A, so we are writing that T1 equals A. Second term is A plus D, T2 is A plus D, T3 A plus 2D, T4 A plus 3D and so on. Now if you will concentrate here, this A can be written something like this: A plus 1 minus 1 into D. 1 minus 1 will be 0, 0 into D will be 0. So it will be itself A only. Why we have written like this? You will get it just now. This A plus 2D can be written as A plus 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 into D is D. That will be A plus DD. Similarly, A plus 2D can be written as A plus 3 minus 1 into D. That is A plus 2D and so on. So now you can see whatever terms are here, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, everywhere we have A. So similarly, in the general term, that is Tn, we will also have A. Everywhere plus sign, so here it is also plus sign. Now let us talk about D. When term is 1, there is no D, means 0. When term is 2, there is 1D. When term is 3, there is 2D. When term is 4, there is 3D, means whatever the term is there, just less than that 1, we have that much D. So if we have n here, so we will do n minus 1 into D. This is the general term of an AP. So general term of the AP can be written as Tn equals A plus n minus 1 into D. Now how to use the general term of this AP in the questions? So let us discuss that with few examples. Find the nth term, 16th term of the AP 11, 6, 1, minus 4 and so on. So how we can solve it? AP given is 11, 6, 1, minus 4 and so on. Now this A, first term is 11, common difference 6 minus 11, that is minus 5. Now we need to find the nth term. Just we have discussed nth term, that is Tn equal a plus n minus 1 into d. Put the values of a and d at the correct places and solve it. You can get Tn equals 16 minus 5n. This is the nth term of this AP. Now we need to find the 16th term. If we place here 16, so this Tn will turn to T16, that is 16th term. So if I put n16 here, we need to put n16 this side as well. So 16 minus 5 into 16, that will give us minus 64. This is your 16th term. Let us understand one more example. How many terms are there in the AP 6, 10, 14, 18, 174? If we talk about from 6, going with a difference of 4, till 174, how many terms are there? How we can solve it? For this AP 6, 10, 14, 18 and so on, our first term A is 6, common difference 10 minus 6, that will be 4. Now this is your first term, second term, third term, fourth term. We don't know this term. We can tell this it is the nth term of the AP. So let 174 be the nth term, general term. So Tn equal 174. Tn formula a plus n minus 1 into d equals 174. Let us put the values of a and d at the correct places and solve it. We can get n equals 43. So number of terms is 43. So we can say 43 terms are there in the given AP. Means from 6 with a difference of 4 till 174. How many terms are there? 43 terms are there. Now similarly, let us understand one more thing, that is how to find the nth term of an AP from end. Right now, from beginning towards end we were moving. Now we need to move backwards, means from end we need to move towards beginning. So how we can find the nth term from the end of an AP? For that, let us take first term of the AP is A, common difference is D, and the last term of the AP is L. So with the help of all this, what AP can be formed? A, adding D, A plus D, A plus 2D, so on, so on, so on. It will end at L. So from this L, if we need the preceding term, we need to subtract D. So that will be L minus D. Again, we need to find the previous term. Again, D we will subtract. That will be L minus 2D. So this progression is clear. Now, in this AP, from the end we will talk about. So from the end, this will be our first term. So last term, that is T1. Last term for this AP. But from end when we will discuss, this will be treated as the first term from end. So T1 is L. T2 from end. Second term from last is L minus D. Third term from last is L minus 2D and so on. So this L can be written as L minus 1 into D as we were discussing earlier. Similarly, L minus D, L minus 2 minus 1 into D, and similarly for third term. So in this way, Tn from end, from the end of the AP, if we find the nth term, what we can write? Everywhere we are having L, so L will be there, minus whatever term is there, minus 1 will be D. So n is there, so n minus 1 into D. So this is Tn from end, that is L minus n minus 1 into D. How to use this formula in the question? Let us discuss that with one example. Question will be something like this. Find the 8th term from the end of the AP 17, 14, 11 and so on till minus 40. One AP is given to you. From the end, we need to find which term will be the 8th term. So for this AP 17, 14, 11 and so on till minus 40, our last term L is minus 40. Common difference 14 minus 17, that is minus 3. And which term we need to find? 8th term. So value of n will be here 8. Just now we have discussed Tn from end. The formula is L minus n minus 1 into D. So let us put 8 in place of n, that is T8 from end. This we need to find. L value is minus 40, n value is 8, 8 minus 1, and D is minus 3. On solving this, what we are getting? Minus 19. So we can say this, from the end of the AP, the 8th term will be minus 19. So all of you revise this video once or twice related to this, solve some questions. Until then, thank you.